I'm that boy that was born crippled. I didn't work for 2 years. But the God, my father, I'm here to talk about my father, Rev Umah Ukpai. He was a father. He was a mentor. He was a disciplinarian. He never took anything for granted. Till he died, he still went preaching the word of God. He had love for people. He had love for Ahonfe people and Asanga people. That's why he built a polytechnic, a hospital, and the polytechnic doesn't make any profit for him, but to help those who are homeless or have nothing to do. My dad